How to see who blocked you on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see if anyone has blocked you on Instagram. Now, Instagram doesn't particularly give you an option to see if anyone has blocked you. But what you can do is head over to your profile or head over to your Instagram app and then to your profile here, and then if you search on the search icon here, you can see search option right below and search for a particular person username, and if their account pops up then it means that they haven't blocked you. But if their account doesn't load up, or if their account information doesn't load up even though you have typed in the correct username, then it might simply mean that they have blocked you. However, it might also mean that they have deleted or deactivated, or their account has been blocked. So in order to check this, what you can do is simply first create a dummy account, or if you have another account you can simply log into another account. You can see I have the other account here. Now what I want to do is head into the other account and search for that person again, or the first same username here. I'll just type in quickly here and you can see this user account shows up again here. Now if the person profile or the user profile that you searched for on your main account doesn't show up but shows up on your dummy account, that it means that they have blocked your account or blocked you. But if the profile doesn't show up on both the accounts, then it simply means that they have either deactivated the account, they have deleted the account, or they have been blocked from Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave this comment down below if you have any further issues.